Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead to the app. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my profile at the below right corner. And next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the three bars at the top right and go ahead to the settings and privacy. Fast forward to Meta. And as you can see in the Meta, you're going to see the account center. Scroll a little bit down, you're going to see the last option, which is Meta verified. Proceed to it. And you're gonna wait off for a few moments right here, and as you can see, you're gonna see that the account that you want to verify, and as you can see, this is the Meta verified available, which is this account, my business account. If your account isn't in the professional mode, please do that and move on to the next step. Wait off for a few moments right here, and as you can see, it says you are billed $45.99 per month on this profile, and you're gonna just go ahead to pay up and get benefit, and you're gonna get the badge right away after you send them like an ID for your account that confirms that you're on the account, and it will take 48 hours. And if we can't confirm your identity, it says you can request a refund and you're gonna get the money back. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.